to MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. I'm Jay Kalka, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2021 Harris 230 Sunliner. I really love the color combination with the black and silver fencing. This also features a double bimini to keep everybody out of the sun on those hot days. Let's go up top and I'll show you what we got going on. Here we are at the bow, and you'll notice that this has the upgraded vinyl with the embroidered pillow top seats. Very nice, very comfortable. There's storage under all of these seats, so you can stow pretty much anything you need to bring on the boat, as well as the recessed cup holders here to keep all your drinks out of the way. You'll notice that the helm here is very user-friendly. You have your dials directly in front of you, as well as your switches to control everything on the pontoon. We also come equipped with a Fusion stereo system, and if you'd like to add a fish finder GPS, you can set that right over here, easily mountable. You'll notice that we have our single lounger design here. There's also storage under all of these seats as well, just added storage for anything you might need to stow away. The single lounger can be set in 3 different ways: forward facing, aft facing, and you can lay it down to have a very nice sun deck. As we move to the back of the pontoon here, you'll notice that we have our ski rail here with the tow hook on it for all of the water sports you might want to do, as well as it is outfitted with a Mercury 150. So it's got plenty of power to pull or get up to a plane, anything you need to do. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat, call me, Jay Kalka, at 850-225-9797.